Sorry, I just had to unplug my mic. I didn't want to. Who banned Bandit?
Someone on their team. It actually was a pretty good ban because he's good for peeking windows.
That's fun.
I'm spawn peeking, guys.
Just wait for them to go like around, you know? Car.
Oh, I saw one. I saw a fuse. Or glaze.
Oh my gosh! Just spawn peek. They're all right there. I don't even care. No, they can spot me. Who cares? Dude, just spawn peek them.
I missed.
Mario on me.
Bad.
I got glass.
Luna, come here, girl.
You have entered an enemy controlled area. Leave now. You have been spotted.
Yeah, I can imagine. Oh, she came from behind. Oh, that was knock actually.
Starting the timer.
I don't care if they find me. It's only a 2 tick. Alec, do something, mate. They're not gonna be there their whole life.
Starting your timer. Your location has been compromised.
I'll catch you getting spotted by every single person.
Oh my god.
These kids are trash.
One op 4 remaining.
What are they doing? Alec, if you don't kill this kid, my guy.
I was literally like right above his head.
Stock is really doing this.
Yellow.
What is our teammate do? How am I garbage? Phantom fired into crap.
Op 4 has placed the diffuser near a bomb. Diffuser located. Protect the bomb. Disable the diffuser.
Can't believe I just got called trash by a copper 5.
Op 4, last
Last
operator
one's last
standing.
year, Alec. Right here.
And just
Bomb diffuser.
GG's, bro.
Mission successful.
Man, oh man. I really love a grandma fight.
I think so.
I'm like dying. Dude, Blackbeard is the worst operator right now. Last guy's in the left corner.
Op 4 eliminated.
Where was he?
That poop don't even make no effing sense. Like I was in left corner, but it's actually the right corner.
Frost outside, Frost outside.
Really, Alec?
Yes.
No.
Might as well just break it for fun. And the water's only like 60 and the air is like 50.
Fanny?
No, like 30.
Op 4 last op standing.
Yeah, I know. Oh, come plant. Plant.
Here, Jacob.
What?
Oh, never mind. I was just gonna break a hole.
Mission successful.
But
11. I had 11 KD that game.
track meet.